Step onto 6.8 acres in the North Carolina mountains where the land, water, and history all come together in one peaceful rural setting. As you arrive, the property immediately opens up into a mix of fenced pasture, rolling open fields, and natural mountain terrain. The space feels wide, quiet, and completely separated from city life, with over 600 feet of road frontage, giving it a strong rural presence. One of the first natural features you notice is the water on the land. A serene pond sits within the acreage, along with a gentle stream running along the edge of the property, adding constant movement and life to the landscape. At the center of the property is a large barn with 200 amp power already installed. This gives you a fully functional structure that can support livestock, storage, workshop use, or hobby farming, depending on your plans. Nearby stands a historic farmhouse, originally built in the early 1900s. It carries that classic country feel, simple, established, and deeply connected to the land it sits on. The home itself is being sold as is, offering a clear opportunity for renovation or restoration. Whether you choose to preserve its original character or reimagine it completely, the foundation is already in place. Some exterior improvements have already been completed, including a roof replacement and updated siding and windows, giving the structure a more stable starting point for future work. Across the acreage, you'll find fenced pasture areas, open land, and natural terrain that can be used for animals, gardening, recreation, or long-term homestead living. The layout supports flexibility and different rural lifestyles. This is not just a farmhouse. It's a full countryside property built around land, water, and usable structures. A place where you can create a private rural lifestyle in the North Carolina mountains, surrounded by nature, space, and long-term potential.